my channel. So don't mind how I look, alright? I know it's two different greens. It's alright, don't worry about it. I'm cleaning my room anyways. But yeah, we're gonna be cleaning my room in this video. This is gonna be like a little, I'm not doing vlogmas because I already know I'm not about to be consistent. I already missed like how many days? Yeah. I haven't been on here in a little minute, so yeah. But I'm about to clean my room because it's about that time. I've been procrastinating, so look at this photo. I need like a razor or something to take all this off. I'm cleaning, so it don't matter, like I said. Honestly, I don't know where to start. I have to sweep my vanity area because, yeah, I have a lot of stuff on the not a lot, but some stuff. And then my back, I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is all clean clothes right here. That's from when I came back from the Bronx. So that's clothes in there. There's clothes on my daughter's jumper, but they're clean. I have to fold it and figure out. I have so many clothes, and this is why my room be looking messy because I have so much. I don't know where to put it. Then my closet broke. I'm not gonna front, I did that, but like I was trying to. It's you already know how my closet look. It's the ones that slide. I'm gonna see if they could change it. I don't like this. It's like kind of annoying. But yeah, it's one of those where it's like it came out of place, if that makes sense. So now it's just stuck, and I can't move it. So that's probably staying like that for now by itself. But and then over here, I gotta organize my daughter's. Let me show y'all. I gotta organize hello Caddy right there. Y'all see that? And she's sleeping right now, but this is how my bed look right now. But it's a lot, it's a lot. And why I don't have my light on, I don't know. But y'all about to watch me clean. I'm not gonna talk too much. I already did enough of that. I think I'm gonna just put music in the background while y'all watch me clean. Sounds like a plan? Okay. I don't know where to start. Y'all gotta help me. Yeah. My bed is last because my daughter's sleeping. She's taking a little nap. I know she's about to get up and break night. So yeah. If y'all end up like not hearing me no more, this probably died. But for right now, yeah. Shut up. Damn. And take your blanket out my way. Alright, so that's clean. This is clean. Shut up. I have to wash this. Look at her cute little boots I bought her. She didn't wear them yet though. These are my cute though. And then I got her some pink shoes that they look like Uggs, but they not. My cute. She wore them yesterday to her doctor's appointment. My aunt got me these little rollers. She was like, "Get whatever you want," and then I grabbed these. I always wanted these. It's like a brush material right here, so it grips on your hair without you needing clips or anything. But it come with clips anyways in each of them. And then it came with a comb. And this is my favorite color. Yeah, stop playing with me. I'm doing that tomorrow. I washed my hair and just left it. Did out like this. Can you shut your mouth? This little boy get me tight. And then he followed me everywhere. I'm gonna go get the broom. I'll be back. This little boy always wanna follow me everywhere I go. Let me follow Kayla. Yeah, let me follow Kayla. I'm coming to the room right now, y'all. I'm coming right now, y'all. Don't worry. Oh, y'all heard me? Y'all heard me talking? Y'all heard me talking out there? That's how you know I'll be procrastinating. And I forgot the broom. That's that pregnancy brain. I heard it last long. I'm doomed. Alright, let me pick up most of this and then I'll get back to y'all because I'm just wasting my footage, to be honest. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be cleaning up. I started a video. My daughter's about to get up. I started a video already, but I woke up while I was cleaning. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to start again or add this to the clip. I don't know, but I know I look like a little girl right now. I twisted my hair, but some of them are straight because I had the front up in like a bun, like a half a bun. So I straightened my ends, but whatever. I don't feel like doing my hair, so I just did twisties just to get it like, just to keep it done. Like I don't want to bother with it. Like just leave me alone. But I used jam, extra hold. I used curls to go. I used curl lala, and then I used this for myself. But yeah, my vanity right now look crazy, and we're gonna start with that first because it has to be good. You know, it has to be good. Alright, so boom. Nah, I'm about to change. So right here, I was saying, I had my mic off, but I was saying how I'm gonna turn this into a mom vlog instead because I just split the video into 2 days, and then I'm over here cleaning, but then I'm making her bottle, and then she's not letting me clean and do stuff, so I just have to make it a mom vlog at this point. This whole time, and I don't even think my mic was on. But anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I said I think I'm gonna just make this a mom vlog because she's always like involved anyways. So like I can't do nothing basically without her waking up in like 5 minutes. So she's just gonna be a part of this vlog, and we're gonna do a mom vlog. And yeah, this shirt don't fit her no more, so I'm gonna have to give this away. I am gonna give away some of her stuff, but in a different vlog, I guess. But yeah, I was saying all her stuff is in my room, so I have to like organize it correctly for me. Look at her little, I don't know what you call this to be honest, but it's like a motorcycle or something. But yeah, hold on. Get all this out of here. I want to show y'all first. Let me show y'all how my vanity look. Real crazy. Yeah. 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 Say cheese. Hello, you call me to not talk? Baby, you want to sit in here? Come on. Because I don't need you falling. Put all the hair products in the closet. Hmm. When it starts. When it's
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and alone. Part of me that cared is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we.
Yeah, this is the actual camera. Hmm? It good? Sit up, girl. Chill over your leg. Woo. um, this is clean. Alright, now we're gonna clean this. This joint is crazy. Alright guys, so I didn't finish completely because I still have stuff to do, but you know I got this little one right here and she don't let me do nothing. So yeah. But this is how it's looking right now. I fixed her little cart, her little caddy over there. And then her milk and stuff is on here and my juice, so that's why I look like that. And I fixed, well, I didn't fix my closet, but I closed it. That's one of the closets that piss me off. Like, it's the sliding door, and it pisses me off, so yeah. And then her little jump thing is right there. So I gotta fix this area a little bit. And over there next to my dresser. And then I'll be done. I already fixed my bed. So now I'm just chilling. I'm about to start editing actually. So yeah. Neve, you wanna say hi? Do you wanna say hi? Hey y'all, so it is days later. Like 2 days later. And of course, I'm not gonna show y'all my room because it gets messy again. Like, come on, like I have a kid, so it's gonna get like that, you know? Even though she don't be playing around and stuff, like on the floor and stuff, but string boy, you want some? Yeah. But yeah, yeah, my room, I just can't deal with it. Like like I fix it and then look. This is clean. I just washed it last night. This nigga, he don't keep biting his damn half of his bed. And then I still didn't get to that part. This is in the way. My bed is easier to fix, 1, 2, 3, you know, but that's what I be talking about. Like, I just can't. So that's gonna be this for this clip. And I don't know, like I did the dishes earlier. I still have more to do actually, so I might bring y'all along with me for that. But I'm trying to like make this video lengthy a little bit, just so I can have something good to post because I haven't been posting for I don't know how long, maybe 2 weeks now, 3, who knows. But look, you see, she's crying for me again, so I gotta go. Yeah. Y'all want some? We're gonna have a little fake mukbang. Alright? Buy some. The potato's still hard. I'm tight. I didn't leave it that long. I only left it for like 25 minutes. Damn, bro. I wanted potatoes. That just blew my. Next time I'm boiling them.